Cyfle eiraid y fan hyn i'r tîm cartre. Ai John Disney, ai Chris Owens. Owens! O! Taro'r trawst Chris Owens. Will Fuller wedi guro'n racs. Chydig fodfeddi nis, so mi fydd ar tîm cartre ar y blaen. Chris Owens, tara nhw ergyd. Gosau at 20 munud o'r gêm wedi chwarae. Declan Poole ar gig gornel. Peniad gan George Horan ar arbediad yn un da ac yn un pwysig gan Will Fuller. Declan Poole ar arwydd codi'r bêl at y postyn pella. O, Mike Wild! Wel, sa chi wedi reid eich morgais yma ar Mike Wild i daro cefn y rwyd, i daro'r targed o lia. Holmes. Mae'r tafliad hir, mae'n disgyn i Declan Poole. Poole, croesi'r bêl i fyny'r cwrt. Y peniad gan y capten, George Horan. 36 o funudau wedi chwarae ac o'r diwedd. Maen nhw wedi bod yn curo ar y drws gydol yr hanner cyntaf. A'r capten George Horan yn rhoi Cei Connah ar y blaen. Cei Connah 1, Met Caerdydd dim. Holmes. George Horan. Dysgu ni Craig Curran, mae dal yna i Curran. Curran yn dal i fynd. Curran! Mor agos at yr ail. Craig Curran, mi oedd o'n benderfynol. Fuller. Disney. Cyffyrddiad gan Corsby yn y gyfle fan hyn i Joe Evans. Evans ydych am Elliot Evans. Mae Baker yn y canol. Mae Baker! O, symudiad hyfryd gan yr ymwelwyr i lawr yr ochr dde. Y croesiad i fewn gan Elliot Evans. A Chris Baker yn union i'r sgôr wrth i ni agosau at yr egwyl. Gito Williams ar gig gornel. McCarthy, bêl i fewn gan Elliot Evans. Un uchel gan Callum Roberts. Yr ergyd o bell o! Y gampus gan y golwr ac yna Packer. Yr ergyd gan Corsby. A'r arbediad yn un rhagorol gan Lewis Brass. Ac yna yr eilydd Tim Packer yn methu manteisio. Owens. Williams ar cyffyrddiad ymlaen gan Elliot Evans. Mae'n cael fynd i Will Evans. Will Evans! Will Evans! Yma Met Caerdydd ar y blaen. 19 munud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Will Evans drwy goesa Lewis Brass i gefn y rwyd. Cei Connah 1, Met Caerdydd 2. Bêl cael ei dwyn gan Roberts. Dyma Craig Curran. Curran. Wignall yn rhydd ar yr ochr bella. Dyma Ryan Wignall. Wignall i draws y cwrt. A'r bêl yn cael ei chlirio allan gan Joel Edwards. Horan. Horan ar peniad. Mond at Will Evans. Mae Packer yn y canol. Will Evans. Evans i sgorio'r drydedd. Taro'r postyn o Packer. Yn methu manteisio ar gôl yn wag o'i flaen o. Wel, yr ergyd gan Will Evans yn curo Lewis Brass. Ac yna Tim Packer, mi ddoth hi'n rhy sydyn ato fo, mae rhaid. Owens. At Callum Roberts. Owens. Fuller. Chafodd am gafel arni go iawn. A Mike Wild. Mi oedd hwnna'n gyfle i chwaraewr o safon Mike Wild. Yn dipynio dros y trawst.
That's the fourth year now that we've played Connah's Quay in either the quarters or the semis, and each year previous they've knocked us out. But I was confident today. We had a good performance up here at the start of the season, and we won here last year in the Nathaniel Cup semi-final, so I was confident. It was a difficult game for both sets of players, and that's credit to both sets of players for the conditions they played in. But I just felt our first half set us up really. I'd have been happy going in 1-0 with the weather and the amount of possession, not possession, but the amount of times they kept us pinned in, and then to get that goal, which was a fantastic goal down the outside, some great movement in the box, and then we always felt with the wind and the conditions that we'd have a chance in the second half, and Will's scored a fantastic goal there, individual effort, but we've hit the post, we've hit the crossbar, and you don't normally do that at Connah's Quay. They're a fantastic outfit, and they're a credit to their manager, they're a credit to their football club and the town, and I just hope they go on and win the league now. They've been fantastic all season, and if they do that, they'll get great support from Cardiff Met.
Listen, I think at home, I think the result will reflect our finishing. We've created maybe 7 or 8 chances in the first half, and we've managed to score 1, and it should be 2 or 3 at least. And then, like I say, they managed the second half really well. Dealt with whatever we threw at them, and it was always going to be maybe a half a counter attack. But when you get the noses in front at 2-1 with that one wind, it's so difficult to get out, and we weren't good enough. And collectively, I'd say over the 2 halves, they probably got it better than us, and we have to move on quickly.
Treble's gone, double's still on. You can concentrate on the league now.
Well, listen, all we're interested in is European football. That was our remit at the start of the season, was to try and get European football. After the cuts that we had and the cut in the squad and the budget, we collectively agreed that European football would be a fantastic achievement for the football club. We're on course for that still, so we have to keep probing, we have to keep working hard and just taking things one game at a time.
Hanner cynta mor anodd, heb nerbyn y gwynt, ond oedden ni'n gwybod os da ni'n cyrraedd a hanner, 1 gol tu ôl, ond wedyn nath y gol, Chris Bacon nath sgorio gynta, nath y gol na, nath hwnna setio ni fyny yn berffaith gyfrau a hanner, a nath ni fel tîm fynd yn chwarae really da heddiw.
From our early days in Division 3, I've always set us up in the Welsh Cup to try and win it. And I think it's something realistically we can do year on and year out. And we're doing okay. Semi-finals again this year, after a semi-final last year. So it's one step at a time. We look forward to whoever we play in the semis, and we await that challenge.